A photograph of the far-left Democrat judge in the Donald Trump fraud case is going viral. Judge Arthur Engoron falsely claimed that former President Trump's Florida home in Mar-a-Lago is worth approximately $18 million. In reality, the home is worth over $400 million. Neighboring homes to Trump are worth $40 million and sit on land 20 to 70 times smaller than Trump's home. In comparison, Mar-a-Lago is a 20-acre property. When you see the photo of the crazed judge, it makes perfect sense. Eric Trump responded to the ruling by saying, "In an attempt to destroy my father and kick him out of New York, a judge just ruled that Mar-a-Lago, in Palm Beach, Florida, is only worth approximate $18 million. Mar-a-Lago is speculated to be worth well over $1 billion, making it arguably the most valuable residential property in the country. It is also corrupt and coordinated," he added. Engoron's ruling is likely to cause a shockwave across New York in general, with many firms now likely to review how they handle their financial estimates and information if the government, alongside the far-left judiciary, is left in charge of interpreting their finances, the National Pulse reported. Trump's lawyers argue there was no evidence of public harm caused by Trump's actions, and that some of the allegations were even barred by the statute of limitations. The leftist judge refused to throw out the case, the report continued. "I have been unfairly sued by the Trump-hating Democrat Attorney General of New York State, Letitia James, over the false fact that I inflated my financial statements in order to borrow money from banks, etc., Trump said in response. The judge in the case, Arthur F. Engoron, refused to allow this case to go to the commercial division, where it belongs, because he is a Trump hater beyond even A.G. James, who campaigned against me spewing horrible inflammatory statements which are false and defamatory. I am not even allowed a jury," he added. Trump responded with the following: "I am worth much more than the numbers shown on my financial statements. I didn't even include my most valuable asset, my brand. The banks were paid back in full, sometimes early, there were no defaults, the banks made money, were represented by the best law firms, and were very happy. There were no victims.